In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete draft orders in Shopify. Draft orders can build up quickly when you're creating manual orders, quotes, or testing your store. Over time, this clutter can make it harder to manage your real orders. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to locate and permanently delete any draft orders you no longer need. First, sign into your Shopify admin like you normally would. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main Shopify dashboard. This is the central place where you manage your store, from products and customers to orders and settings. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one. From the left-hand side menu, look for the option labeled Orders and click on it. This section shows you all the orders associated with your store, including open orders, archived ones, and your drafts. We're going to focus on the draft orders specifically. At the top of the orders page, you'll see different tabs or filters. Find and click on the tab labeled Drafts. This will switch the view so that only your draft orders are displayed. Here you'll see a list of all draft orders that have been created but not yet completed. Now, look through the list and click on the specific draft order you'd like to remove. It's a good idea to quickly review the details of the draft before you delete it, just to be sure you're removing the right one. Once you delete a draft order, you won't be able to recover it, so take a moment to double check. With the draft order open, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled More Actions. Click on this button to open a small drop-down menu with additional options related to the draft order. In that drop-down, find and select Delete Draft Order. Shopify may ask you to confirm that you really want to delete it, so delete it. Confirm the action and the draft order will be permanently removed from your list. After it's deleted, you'll be taken back to your draft orders page where you should see that the order no longer appears. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can keep your draft orders clean and organized,